Welcome. If you're looking to find your starred emails in Gmail that are older than a week, you're in the right place. Whether you're tidying up your inbox or searching for an important message you flagged days ago, this quick guide will walk you through every step on your Android or iPhone. Let's jump right in. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. You'll see your inbox, but we're going straight to your starred messages. Look at the top left corner of the screen for the menu icon. It's 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other, also known as the hamburger icon. Tap on it to open up your Gmail menu. In this menu, you'll see several options. Scroll down a little until you spot starred. This is where all your starred emails live, making them easy to access anytime you need to revisit something important. Now that you're viewing your starred messages, here's the part that really saves you time. Just below the search bar at the top, you'll see an option labeled Date. Tap on that. It brings up date filters to help you pinpoint emails based on when you received them. From the options, choose Older than a week. Instantly, Gmail will show you only those messages you starred more than 7 days ago. No more endless scrolling or digging through old emails. Your crucial starred messages from the previous weeks are all gathered together. And that's it. You've successfully filtered your starred emails, so you can quickly find anything important from over a week ago. This method is perfect for reviewing reminders, following up on tasks, or simply organizing your inbox more efficiently. Remember, taking a moment to find and manage these starred emails can help you stay on top of what matters most, even as your inbox fills up day after day. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give it a try right now and see just how easy it is to keep your important emails always within reach. Thanks for watching.